So this is a 1.5 inch burlap with polka dots on it, and I absolutely love this ribbon. This is one of my favorite everyday ribbons. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make a tail and pinch it. And the way I pinch it, I just kind of run those edges together. And we're going to make a 10-inch loop, pinch and twist. Another 10-inch loop, pinch and twist. Then we're going to go ahead and we're going to go up to 11 inches, pinch and twist. 11 inches, pinch and twist. So I want this bow to have 8 loops. 11 inches, pinch and twist. Y'all, the twist is probably one of the most important parts of making your bow, because that shows a definite pretty side and a definite ugly side. So now we're going to bump it up to 12. Pinch and twist. Pinch and twist. Oops. So I want to measure 18 inches. And you'll see what I did there. Actually, let's bump it up to 24 inches. So I measured out 24 inches, and I'm going to bring this back like this, like if it's a big loop, okay? And set that pinch right in there, because y'all, that's going to make me some tails. And pinch and then twist. Using my zip tie. Now I am going to go ahead and on the back of this bow, I'm going to add some pipe cleaners. Let me reach over and get some pipe cleaners, y'all, so I have a nice little pile. Pipe cleaner, running it right through that zip tie, holding it down with my fingers, and then I'm just going to cinch that completely shut, cut off my zip tie. And you see how how I made that 24-inch long tail, and I folded it over. Well, I'm gonna find that middle piece. I'm gonna find that middle, like how I'm stretching right now, and then there we go. So now we've made ourselves some tails. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to dovetail these ribbons. And look how perfect, look how pretty that bow looks. Make sure you fluff up your loops. Now I can tell you, if you're using the Easy Bow Maker, you'll do it reversed. You'll do the 13-inch loops first, then the 4 12-inch loops, and then the 2 11-inch loops. And then you would actually do your tails first. Your tail, your 13-inch loops, your 2 13-inch loops, then your 4 12-inch loops, and then your 2 11-inch loops. Okay? But y'all, look how pretty that bow looks.